Thank you for viewing this brief tutorial on how to navigate the IPA Conference app. If you haven't yet installed the app, navigate to the Apple App or Google Play Store to download. You can find the conference app by searching for IPA Event. Once installed, you will need to sign in with your first name, last name, and email address. You will receive a code the first time to your email, and be sure to check your spam folder. Once you enter the code, you can then click on the 2025 Education Leaders Annual Conference under Upcoming Events. At the very top of the screen, you will find quick links to view the general information, speakers, sponsors, exhibitors, and Connect to Win 2.0. By tapping on speakers, you can select Featured to see keynote speakers. By tapping on Featured Presenter, you will be taken to their profile page where you can see their bio, social media links, and sessions they are presenting. Additionally, if you go to Sponsors, you can tap on a sponsor and be taken to their profile page where you can read a brief description and see which sessions they have sponsored. At the bottom of the app screen are quick links to your schedule, exhibitors, more menu, and your personal profile page. By tapping on the schedule icon, you can quickly toggle between your own schedule and all schedules at the event. After tapping on all sessions, you can view the entire schedule. When you find a session that you'd like to attend, tap on the plus button next to it and it will be added to your schedule. On the exhibitor page, you can browse our conference exhibitors by category or list view. Clicking on an exhibitor will bring you to their profile page with brief description and contact information. Under the More menu button, you can see general information, attendees, speakers, sponsors, exhibitors, as well as the exhibition hall floor plan. You can also see Connect to Win 2.0 conference game and all hotel information. You can also find the attendee page where you can see a list of all attendees and have the ability to message them through the app. On your personal profile page, you can see any conference announcements, direct messages, surveys, and enter the setting functions on the app. Under the settings page, you can set your privacy and in-app notifications. We hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial and look forward to seeing you at the 2025 Education Leaders Annual Conference in Peoria, October 19th through the 21st.